Hey guys, it's November 25th, 2018. It's been quite rainy here in Seattle. As you can see, we have accumulated pretty substantial amount of rain. Dahlia looks pretty much the same. The saffron, the leaves are getting longer. The artichoke, you can see some, I think it's the slugs, has been doing some pretty severe damage on the leaves, so probably have to look into that. Lily, asparagus, rhubarb, raspberry. Hydrangea, you can see the leaves are finally turning color, and most of them are infected by powdery mildew. Strawberries turning yellow. And the grape hyacinth, you can see half of the pod has germinated for some reason. Not germinated, sprouted. Daffodil a little bit too. And the lily of the valley, it's very interesting. When they go dormant, you can still kind of see the buds right above the surface of the soil. It's very interesting structures. Mulberry, pretty much same. Everything else except this one that has sprouted too. Summer snowflakes. Yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. This hydrangea is changing color too, which is expected. But yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. The grape leaves are still falling off. As for the indoor garden, the orchids are doing really well. The Oncidium Twinkle, there's a lot of flowers from that. And then this Pap is, you can see the flower has finally died back. So that's it for them this year. And the mini snowflake, I think it's called Dendrobium, still sending out new growths. Right here you can see. Here we have some other orchids doing really well. This one is sending out the new roots. This one looks pretty much the same. And this guy over here, you can see this new growth is getting bigger. Other than that, the Stockholm fern looks like they're doing pretty well. This guy is still sending out some new antler fronds. This guy not so much. Succulents looks like they're doing well. Need to top this off with more vermiculates. Frizzle Sizzle looks pretty much the same, sending out some new leaves. The String of Pearls is doing very well too. And this pineapple is still going slowly. Can't wait to put it outside the next summer. The Hoya plant, pretty much the same. Pear plants, sending out more new leaves right there. And right here, you can see the leaves are very pigmented because I've been giving them lots of growth lights. And the philodendron looks good. This phalaenopsis, you can see the flower spike is getting longer, and I'm gonna update you on the orchid flower progress in another video.